Welcome to Tiny Tuberz.
Farm animals and sounds. In today's world, farm animals are a significant part of our food and agriculture systems, providing us with essential products such as meat, milk, eggs, and wool, as well as help farmers in performing various agricultural tasks. Overall, farm animals play a crucial role in our food and agriculture systems and are an important part of many communities and cultures around the world. The video begins with various sounds of farm animals. What does the cow says? Cow says? What does the cat says? Cat says. What does the dog says? Dog says. What does the rooster says? Rooster says. What does the horse says? Horse says? What does the sheep says? Sheep says? What does the pig says? Pig says? What does the duck says? Duck says. What does the chicken says? Chicken says. What does the goat says? Goat says. What does the rabbit says? Rabbit says. What does the dove says? Dove says. What does the parrot says? Parrot says. What does the donkey says?